Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And apa kabar untuk orang Indonesia? Kali ini saya ingin berbicara tentang what is foundation year. So, I think take this out. Right. Foundation year is a full year of study that you can take before going to year 1 of your specific course. So actually the foundation year is designed specifically to your course, so it's a preparation for you to be able to catch up with the first year of your course. Anyway, for example, currently I'm studying aerospace engineering, and my previous education before I came to the UK was accountancy and finance. Can you imagine, from accountancy and finance, and I'm studying aerospace engineering and learning about how to design an aeroplane. It's totally different. So as you know, it's not related. Hence the foundation year that I took with the Swansea University helped me a lot. In the foundation year, I studied engineering science, mechanics, thermodynamics, and the other module that related specifically to engineering. And the second question, is it worth? Oh yes, it is definitely worth it. And I learned a lot about engineering modules that I didn't study before until I went to Swansea University. And what is the downside? The downside is definitely the cost and the tuition fees, because you have to pay a year extra. Another downside is I had to sit with another hundreds of young students who either they didn't know what they want to do. You know, some of them just go to university because they don't know what to do, or because everybody else going to university, so they just want to go to university as well. But also, since they are teenagers, you know, like they are 17, 18, 19, so some of them just talking in the class, and oh, it drives me insane because I cannot concentrate when the lecturer is talking and somebody like talking behind me. I thought like, oh my god, I can't concentrate. And some of them sometimes behave badly, so that's the downside. Okay, let's move to assignments and the exam. That's the last topic I want to cover today. The assignments are mostly online assignments, and there were also long assignments that you have to type and you have to submit it online, and mostly are online. So I think the online assignment prepares the students to use the computer often and familiar themselves with the blackboard. Also, I can review my work. And for the exams, there were 4 modules that I had to sit in every semester, every semester. Hence, for the whole year, I have to sit 8 modules for the exam time. So actually, it's all right. But there are some, courses that only have 2. But for engineering, it's definitely like harder. And you have to sit at the exam more. So anyway, I hope this video helps you, or I hope that I don't talk that fast, because I try to talk the way other vlogger talking, but I'm not sure if it helps. But I hope I can improve my public speaking and I can improve my video. So I'll see you next time. So if you have any question, don't forget to subscribe and comment below. So for other Indonesian students, you can ask me in Indonesian and I will definitely reply you in Indonesian or in my language, or even in Javanese. Kulo niki saged ngomong Jawi. Anyway, see you next time. Bye!